Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come and find you.
Okay, we're back. I haven't posted the last hair video. I'm pretty sure you're gonna see it before you see this one, but I haven't seen you guys if you liked this area more than the other, but we're stuck with this area because I kind of like being in my room. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you do not know me, my name is Tatyana Ali. We're putting on, yeah, you see her. Honestly, I came to the conclusion that me putting on wigs has just been therapy. And that's it. Oh my god, my forehead. Yo. But guys, so today we are putting on a 34-inch wig. As you see, she is just chilling in the back. Yeah. So this hair, let me give her a round of applause. So this 34-inch, I have not worn a 34-inch wig in a very, very long time. But it is from Klaiyi Hair. Middle part closure. You get the gist. That's trifling. Hold on. Let me respect her. I'm wearing pants. Don't be like that. Don't be looking at my booty. Okay, anyways. So we're gonna be putting on this wig today, and yeah, honestly, I have so many wig videos. I think we all know, and at this point, if you haven't seen it, you're just joining. We just gonna get straight to it. But I've put on a 34-inch wig in a cool minute. I was debating if I want to, I was debating if I want to put crimps in it, but I realized I can do bone straight hair and crimps. Like, it's really not that serious. So today, I'm just going to straighten my hair. But obviously I don't look, you know, that amazing. So I will come back and show you the final look once everything is put together. Okay. All right, we are moving. We're moving, sis. I'm gonna do some edges on this honey. Here, I'm thinking about some soft baby hairs, low key. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, I realized that I'm like kind of finishing this hair video like a vlog. It's okay. I want to show you my hair. This is my hair. Or like the finished look. Basically, ignore my bed. We love that. But yeah, this is the finished look. I want to show y'all so y'all could like for real see. It's so cute. I just did my makeup too. But this, I'm not that tall. This is basically what we're working with. You see? And I put some crimps in. So pretty much this edges. Y'all can see bomb, 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 bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb. Okay. Alright guys, I love you. This is the most random way to end my hair videos, but I wanted to show y'all because I know y'all are gonna be mad if I didn't show you. So I love you, and yeah, boy.